Are you working on Confluence and you fed up with the existing templates exist into the Confluence and you wanted to create your brand new templates which you can regularly use it for any documentations and you don't know how to do it, then you are at right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can create custom templates within Confluence which we can regularly use it for any documentations in future. Welcome to raigurukul.com. I am Deepak Rai and today I am going to show you custom templates creations into Confluence space. For doing that, we need to have superior permissions or administration's role allocated to us. Without that, we won't be able to navigate into the space settings. That's the prerequisites. And if you wanted to create the Confluence space documentations or you're looking for anything related to Confluence, feel free to refer my Confluence playlist. If you are visiting this channel first time, feel free to hit like and subscribe button and don't forget to press bell icon so whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. Now let's begin. Doing that, we have to navigate it to space, select the space and go to space settings. From this settings, we have to navigate it to templates by just clicking on look and feel. And here we can see all the existing templates which is available. From this page, you will be able to see all the templates which is available here. If you wanted to edit any existing templates, we have to just click on pencil and then it will give you permissions where you can do the modifications like changing of the names or any content which is present here. Similarly, once you're done, we have to just click on save and this will push us back where we can see the existing templates. The important part here is if I don't want to show this templates, I will just toggle these buttons. It will disable. It will not delete from Confluence, but it will disable or hide from the users where they won't be able to see it. So this is enabled. And when we are clicking on this, this is called as disabled. After that, if I wanted to create a new templates, we have to just click on this and then I'll start building the templates. Consider we wanted to create technical documentations. So in technical documentations, normally here we have to provide the name. Let me give technical documents where I wanted to add document names and their versions. So for adding the versions, I'm going to create it by review or approved by and then version name. If you want, we can even add one more column, what we are updating or comment. In this case, here we'll add Deepak, reviewed maybe XYZ, version is V, and comments, whatever comments we are updating it later. If you want, even we can add some other documentations. If we want, we can add header and footer sections that can be also possible into the Confluence. If we wanted to define some technical stuff like exceptions and all, we can also add it. Whichever documents we are working on it, we can define exceptions name, reason, how to fix. So we can give these templates. Once we are done, we'll save it and these templates will be included into the list where we can see here technical documentations. So whenever we'll go to space settings and if I wanted to create any documentations or page and from the list, if I'm searching, when I will select the details which are included, I will add it. So we are trying to create a standardizations in the company where whatever standards will include into the templates and whenever team is trying to create those technical documentations, it's mandatorily they have to fill this informations. So taking an example, consider we are working as a software development company and the company regularly wants the resources to create a technical documents for features what they have built. In that case, They wanted to keep the same standard, and if they don't do it, probably the team will use any random formats and add it where the uniqueness is not available or the standardization is not available. They can randomly add any data here and there. Probably it will create confusions for other team members when they are using it or when they are reading it. And that's the main reason the superior decided to come up with the templates, and they asked some of their superior team members to create a template and store it and provide the guidelines to the team members whenever they are creating a technical documentations. They have to use this format. So mandatorily they are guiding the team members to add these informations mandatorily, and later any other informations are present, they can include it. It's very simple where we can create templates, but the prerequisite is you need to have the permissions for space editing. Unless and until you don't have the permissions, you won't be able to create it. And later, once your document is done, you can just publish it. Technical specification documents. Once it is done, just publish it and this documents will be available under your space. So this is how we can create a templates and store into Confluence space. And whenever a new team members wanted to use this templates, they have to just go to the all templates, select it and add the informations what they wanted to include it. That's how we can create and maintain the templates into Confluence environments. If you have any questions, queries or clarifications, feel free to add in the comment sections. To support this video, help me to reach to the more audience by just adding the comment and sharing within your network. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in next video.